It's the new year and it's easy to overeat, so let's use these tips to help with our digestion. Lie flat on your back. Bend your knees, feet on the floor. Feet hip-width apart, inner edges of the feet parallel. First, let your lower back touch the floor, so the abdominal organs in front are soft, relaxed, and mobile. Let's locate the entire pelvis. It's like a round clock face. The clock face has 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. When we position it in a posterior tilt, it's 12 o'clock. To the left is 3 o'clock. Going down is 6 o'clock. To the right is 9 o'clock. Back to the rear, tailbone slightly lifted. This is 12 o'clock. Rotate the entire clock face clockwise. My range of motion is quite large right now. We can start with a big circle, drawing a large clock face. If your head wants to move, just let it move along. Let's draw it a bit slower. Feel it even more precisely and carefully. From one single point, pause to the very next point. You know exactly where every path in between is. Rotate with awareness. You can keep your hands on the front of your pelvis to help locate the back of it. The slower you go, the more you'll release the fascia in the back and the muscles. Okay, after centering, let's go in the opposite direction. First, go to 12 o'clock. Go to 9 o'clock on the right. 6 o'clock below, 3 o'clock on the left. Also start with a large rotation. Feel the entire pelvis rotating in a large circle. You can start by drawing this large circle. If I don't use such a large range at the start, many students don't seem to feel it, can't find it, or can't locate it. So let's start by drawing this circle somewhat quickly. Then slow down a little bit within this circle. For example, from 9 to 6, from 6 to 3, from 3 to 12. Can you maintain pressure in every segment? Where is something missing? Rotate even more slowly. Good. Now relax your arms and stretch your legs out. Feel how you're grounded. Is it more stable than before? Now we'll bring your dial onto a mid-air support. Turn your body to the right and come into cat pose. Keep your fingers together. Press the inner palms, shoulder width apart. Open your knees as wide as your hands, big toes touching in cat pose. Try tilting forward and back to find a neutral pelvis position. Now, imagine there's a piece of paper behind your buttocks. The position of my tailbone is 12 o'clock. My left sit bone is at 3 o'clock. And then my pubic bone is at 6 o'clock. My right buttock is at 9 o'clock. Now I'll just move my tailbone to the positions of 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock on this. Draw circles on our paper. I'll take the paper away, but imagine it's still there. Go to 3 o'clock first. You'll feel a bit belly pushing back. The pelvis will tilt backward. Back to 3, pushing the left buttock back while tilted. When we push the pubic bone at 6 toward the paper, we create a forward tilt. Slowly push to 9, forward tilt, pushing the right buttock back. Tilt back. Left side. Tilt forward. Right side. Rotate clockwise. Imagine, don't get distracted. Imagine the paper is still there. Counterclockwise. 12 o'clock, push out to 9. 6 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Rotate counterclockwise. Good. Now, return to child's pose to relax. Take a moment to notice and gently feel if your breath is able to reach the area of the dial that you have visualized in your mind.
That movement just now while relaxing our back actually gets our internal organs moving. It helps with digestion. Rotating clockwise and counterclockwise gets the internal organs moving. It's great for digestion, but remember to do it on an empty stomach. At least try not to gain weight during the new year. It's like getting a head start.